A sailor's life is a merry life. They rob young girls of their heart's delight, leaving them alone for to sigh and mourn. They never know when they will return. He's 24 all in a row. My sweetheart cuts the brightest show. He's proper, tall, genteel withal, and if I don't have him, I'll have none at all. Oh, Father, fetch me a little boat, that I might on the ocean float, and every queen ship that we pass by, there we'll enquire for my sailor boy. They had not sailed long upon the deep, before a queen ship they chanced to meet. You sailors all, come tell me true, does my sweet William sail amongst your crew? Oh no, fair lady is not here, for he's been drowned, we greatly fear. On yon green island as we pass by, there we lost sight of your sailor boy. She wrung her hands and she tore her hair, much like a woman in great despair. Her little boat gainst the rocks did run. How can I live now my William is gone? A sailor's